In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively sign out of your Amazon account from all devices. Now, while Amazon doesn't always offer a straightforward sign out everywhere button, there are some workarounds that can help you achieve a similar result. Whether you're looking to secure your account by ensuring no unauthorized access, or you simply want to have a clean slate across your devices, I'll guide you through the necessary steps. Officially, Amazon suggests that changing your password is the most effective way to log out from all non-Kindle devices. By updating your credentials, you automatically end all active sessions connected to your account across various platforms like apps and browsers, except, of course, on the device you use to change your password. For instances where you need to log out of the device you have at hand, simply navigate to Account and Lists and then select Sign Out. Let's dive into the practical steps you can take to get yourself signed out everywhere efficiently. The first method revolves around changing your password, which is the fastest and most comprehensive workaround. First, log into your Amazon account. From there, head over to your account and find the Login and Security section. Once you're in, change your password. It's that simple. By doing so, you'll be logged out from all active sessions except the one on the device where you updated your password. Don't forget, once this process is complete, you'll need to re-log in on any devices you trust and want to continue using. This method is by far the easiest way to effectively force a de facto sign-out everywhere else. Another helpful method involves manually deregistering or removing devices via your Amazon settings. This approach is perfect if you want to have direct control over the devices that have access to your account. Begin by going to the Manage Your Content and Devices section within your Amazon account. Here, switch to the Devices tab. You'll see a list of all devices associated with your account. Carefully review this list, and for any device you no longer want to have access, or any you don't recognize, click Deregister or Remove. This action effectively breaks the connection between your account and that device, which means the next time anyone tries to access your Amazon account on the removed device, they'll be prompted to log in again. Make sure you repeat this procedure for any suspicious or unnecessary device entries. And there you have it. With these practical steps, you can better manage and secure your Amazon account by effectively signing out from multiple devices. Whether you choose to change your password or manually deregister devices, each method helps control who and what can access your account. Remember, keeping your account secure not only protects your personal information, but also ensures a smoother, worry-free experience with Amazon.